guys, welcome. Today we're opening up the Xpression 58-inch braid in the color 1B Mint Light Mint. And that's the back. So let's get right into it. The Xpression 58-inch is definitely one of our best sellers. And we stock it in a range of colors. And we've got it open. Alright. I'm just going to step back a little bit and put the hair next to me so that you can see how long it is. We'll get one bundle of the hair. This is what one bundle of the hair looks like. It's very soft and easy to separate as well. And it has a little bit of a kinky texture that helps when you're braiding, so you can get a good grip. So that's it for today's unboxing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for tomorrow's.